Do you have problems with the connectors on your transmission devices due to lack of mating cycles, splash water resistance, or even loosening due to vibration? Then we have a solution for you with our Data Technology standard assemblies. Let's take a look into our production facilities. The production machines integrated into the company's internal data network must be regularly unplugged due to maintenance reasons. Sorry. Here we cannot afford system failures due to contact wear out. With the Odomac Blue Line, which is rated up to 10,000 mating cycles, you don't need to worry about that problem anymore. Our connectors are suitable for a wide range of applications, such as, for example, medical devices. Here we can support you in regards to touch protection or IP rating. Fortunately, a lot of Odo connectors are rated up to IP68. But what about harsh environments? With the help of our standard assembly solutions, you can transmit protocols like USB even in the most challenging of environments. Luckily, it was an Odo connector, which can withstand even the roughest of impacts, like the one we just had, and still be securely mounted afterwards. As you can see, with our large Data Technology standard portfolio, we can support your future projects. Let's stay connected. With our large standard Data Technology portfolio, let's stay connected.